So just today I'm gonna talk about the mict802. So uh, for this week we have learned about the dictionary says and turbo in Python. A dictionary stores data using key-value pair. For example, we can store person name as a key and their age as a value. One important thing I learned is that if we assign the new value to a key, the old value will replay. We also learn about sets and set story in unique element, so adding duplicate element that will change the sets. The remove function can remove the element while the discard is useful when element may not exist because it does not product a error if the element is missing. Another concept I have learned is tube. The tube is immutable, which means their value cannot be changed after the created. It is useful when we want to store data and should remain unchanged. The next important concept was recursion. Recursion happens when a function calls itself to solve the smaller version of the same problem. For example, I use reason to calculate the sum from 1 to 5. The function kept calling itself until it rejects the package and then the results are combined to for the 1 5. It also uses the reason to reverse this operation, take a last element and then reverse setting remaining element. It helps me understand how reducing function works step by step. And we have learned about the lead set table and division as well because it's used to analyze the data. For example, uh, we can use to certify unique age, calculate the average age, and create a dictionary that maps each person's name to the age. And the concepts can be useful in the real-world applications such as analyze customer information, manage student records, or processing business data. Some challenge I have when doing this exercise like to try to understand the package of recursion because if they not correct package, the function may not continue calling itself and go by equal. And I also learned about the identify the stop condition is very important when writing recurrent function as well. Well, that's it today.